Hey everyone, if Mint Mobile has a no service after activation, I'm here to help you fix it quickly. Let's get started. If the device is not compatible with Mint Mobile or locked to another carrier, it cannot connect to the network. A poorly inserted or damaged SIM card can fail to re register the device on the network, causing no service. Being in a location with poor signal strength or outside Mint Mobile's coverage area can result in no service. An outdated operating system may lead to compatibility issues with Mint Mobile's network settings, preventing activation. Fix 1. Restart your phone. Improper SIM placement can prevent activation. Reinserting ensure the SIM is correctly seated, allowing the phone to detect and connect to Mint Mobile's network. For Android, press and hold the power button or a volume up and down until the restart option appears and tap restart. If the device is unresponsive, press and hold the power button and volume down button simultaneously for about 10 seconds to force a restart. For iOS, hold the sleep or wake button until slide to power off appears. Slide it off and press the sleep or wake button again to restart. Alternatively, quickly press and release the volume up button, then the volume down button, and hold the side button until the Apple logo appears. Fix 2. Check carrier unlock status. Locked or incompatible devices cannot connect to Mint Mobile's network. If you are bringing your own device, ensure your phone is unlocked and compatible for successful activation. For iOS, open the Settings app and tap General, then About. Look for Carrier Lock or No SIM Restrictions. If it says No SIM Restriction, your iPhone is unlocked. For Android, open the Settings app and go to Connections or Network and Internet. Look for network operators or mobile networks, choose your SIM and disable automatically, select network. Fix 3. Check devices compatibility. If you are bringing your own phone, make sure your phone is compatible with Mint Mobile. Visit Bring Your Own Phone page, choose your brand name and model from drop-down list. Click Check Phone button to know the compatibility. If you prefer, you can also enter your phone IMEI number. Click Check Phone button to check the details. To find mobile IMEI number, dial *#06# on your phone's keypad. The IMEI number will appear on the screen. On Android, open the Settings app, go to About Phone and scroll down to find the IMEI number. On iOS, open the Settings app, select General, then About and scroll down to locate the IMEI number. Fix 4. Check coverage. Checking coverage confirms signal availability. Moving to an area with a better reception can help resolve call issues caused by weak or no signal. Go Mint Mobile Coverage Map page, input your address or location, make sure you have enough coverage in your area. Ensure your phone has sufficient signal strength. Fix 5. Activate the SIM again. If activation fails initially, reactivating the SIM through Mint Mobile's app or a website ensures proper registration with their system. Go to Mint Mobile activation page, enter 11-digit ACT code at the back of your SIM card, click Get Started button. If it is eSIM, you can find it on your email. During activation, choose Get a New One to receive a new number based on your zip code. Then you will be asked to create Mint Mobile account by setting username and password. If it is eSIM, you can create account only after installing the eSIM on your devices. Remove and reinsert SIM. Reinserting the SIM card helps reestablish communication between your device and the carrier's network. It can refresh carrier-specific settings stored on the SIM, ensuring proper APN functionality. Turn off your phone, use a SIM ejector tool or paperclip to remove the SIM tray. Carefully remove the SIM card, inspect it for damage and clean it gently. Reinsert the SIM card into the tray and place it back into your phone. Turn your phone back on and check if the issue is resolved. Fix 7. Manually register on network. Selecting Mint Mobile's network manually bypass automatic detection issues, ensuring the device connects to the correct carrier. To manually select Mint Mobile network, on iOS, go to Settings, then Cellular, then go to Network Selection. Then toggle off Automatic and choose the Mint Mobile network from the list. On Android, navigate to Settings, then Connection, then go to Mobile Networks. Then Mint Mobile, turn off Choose Automatically and select Mint Mobile manually. Fix 8. Update APN settings. Sometimes manual APN setup is required for Mint Mobile, specifically for Android after activation. For iOS, Open settings, go to mobile data or cellular data, then go to mobile data network or cellular data network, then tap on APN and the APN details. Select done to save settings, then restart your iPhone. APN settings for iOS, APN wholesale and MMSC http wholesale.mms mvno.com/mms/webenc, leave the other fields blank. On Android, open settings, go to network and internet or connections varies by device, then go to mobile network, select the SIM, access point name, tap the plus add button to create a new APN, save the APN and enable it. Name Mint APN Wholesale MMSC http wholesale.mms.mvno.com/mms webenc multimedia message port 8080 APN type default supple MMS IA APN protocol IPv4 or IPv6 APN roaming protocol IPv4 or IPv6 MVNO type GID MVNO value 756T. Leave the other fields blank. Fix 9. Contact Mint Mobile Support. Use live chat on Mint's Help Center or call 213-372-7777. Ensure your SIM or a eSIM is activated correctly. Activation starts immediately after setup. Thanks for watching this video. If you like this video, please hit the like button, and if you want to see more videos, hit the subscribe button.